Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can change display name in SoundCloud. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open SoundCloud application, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your SoundCloud login ID and password. As I have already get logged in into my SoundCloud, here you need to tap on the library section that is on the bottom of the right corner. Inside the library section, you need to tap on the profile icon on top right side of your screen. Now here, inside the profile section, you need to tap on the pen icon, that is edit icon just beside of your profile name. Now here, you can see display name. You tap on it, go in for erasing the name, then you go in for providing a new name for your SoundCloud. After you are done, you need to tap on save on top right side of your screen. And with that, the display name has been successfully changed. This is how you can change your display name in SoundCloud. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change display name in SoundCloud. Thank you.